on, everyone? I hope everyone's doing great. I'm doing fantastic. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I did sell the Z06, and its replacement is this R35 GTR that I got my hands on. This is a 2013 GTR Black Edition. It's a pretty sick car, not gonna lie. I do like it a lot so far. It is different from the Z06, of course, going from a manual 6-speed to this automatic DCT. It reminds me very much of my previously owned 2018 M3 as far as, you know, the automatic aspect of it. There wasn't really a reason that I traded the Z06 in other than I found this on the market randomly one day. I hit up the dealership, which was here local. They gave me a good trade-in value for the Z06 given its modification, so I just went for it. Instagram, of course, did see it first as far as the whole process of trading it in, but there wasn't really much to it. This did happen last Monday, so it has been almost a week now. I will make a future video going into depth of what this car has done to it. Right off the bat, it's full bolt-on E85. It should be making right around 650 to 700 wheel horsepower. It's a very fun car to drive. I've been enjoying the heck out of it. I've actually been daily driving it for the past week. I did get this car with some Advent GT wheels, which I did like a lot, but I have some other wheels in mind that I did want to get for it, which I will of course show in a later video. The Corvette will be missed. That was my second one owned, as mentioned in a previous video before, but a GTR has always been on my bucket list of cars, so I decided why not get one. I know I haven't uploaded in a few weeks, and that's due to me moving. I actually got a new house, so I was just going through the process of moving everything in there. But now that all that's taken care of, I can actually go back to some car content. It does have a TPMS light on due to the stock wheels that I put on it. I just have to get the TPMS sensors reprogrammed, but apart from that, it's a pretty solid car. I know the last Corvette video was left more on a cliffhanger of those wheels that I got for it, which I still have actually, because I never had the chance to install them. As I said, this was such a sporadic deal. But here's pictures of how they looked of me test fitting them on the car. Surprisingly, they actually cleared the calipers, so that was pretty cool. I have them posted for sale right now because I honestly don't have any use for them, given that this is a 5x114 versus the Corvette's 5x120 bolt pattern. But yeah, I'm excited to make some content with this GTR. Just felt like uploading just to update you guys on what's been going on. And then the next video should be me going into depth on everything that's done to it and then pretty much go from there. But I do appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just wanted to make this a pretty simple video, just giving you guys an update. And then I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there.